Hi everyone, I'm Abhishek and I welcome you all in the Study Metro Academy. I'm glad to here today with the today's session. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between the manager account and the staff account. Also, we would like to know as a manager what you will see in your cloud portal and what are the things as a staff they see in their portal. Also, we will see that how you can measure your staff performance and how you see what exactly your sub-agents are doing. So stay tuned and watch this video till end to know more about all those features which we offered in the Study Metro Cloud Portal. So here you can see on your screen that Nancy as a manager, and she can see all the students, whatever the student she is adding up here. Whenever she creates the new, she can see all the student. And then we have another login that is Kritika, is a staff member. And now the Kritika also can see the students, whatever the Kritika is adding up. So there will be a case where you have five different counselors working in the five different branches or in the same branch also. So they can only see the students, whatever the students they are adding up. So they cannot see the other staff data or they cannot see the manager staff data. But when you log into your portal as a manager, as an NC manager, you can see the your staff one data, staff two data, or staff three data. So any students who are adding up from your company as a manager, you can see everybody data regarding how many students they have added up, how many applications they have added up. So on an example, let's say this is a your staff, that is a Kritika, who create the student. So I'll create a one test student for you to just let you know that how the data is coming to the manager account. So let's say there is a one test student. I'll just create a test 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll assign a one email ID. Okay, and I'll give any random phone number, and then I say she's looking for the United States. Okay, I'll just save the data. Now, when the staff as a Kritika, she added up the student. Now, when she see all the students profile and everything, and let's go back and see in the list view. So now she's having a three students. One is a test 2, 3, 4, which we created today, and there are other two students. Now as a manager, you come and you go and you refresh your students data. You see as a student, now there is a one student extra added here, which added by your staff. See, test 1, 2, 3 just now added uh, by your staff. So this is the full functionality we have where any activities if your staff is also doing, you do not have to go and check with the staff that how many students you are adding up in your portal, because the data dynamically will share, data sharing is enabled so that the data shared between staff and the managers. And if this staff, let's say the test student which she has created, now she will add up any of the application. So she add up one application that this student is looking to study, let's say in Arizona University. So she just type university name, Arizona State University, and let me just clear this one. Okay, so let's say she want to apply for this university, and she just submit here, and now she add up of one application here. So as a manager, whenever you are going to your application list view, you can see that there is a one more application add up by your staff. So uh, and all the communication. So see, now you see California Lithuanian application is added by the Kritika staff member. Okay, and any communication whatever they do regarding this application or this instruments. So all the activities which we shown you in our previous videos also, that all the activities which you can see it here, like all the chatter options, all the testing options and all everything. Now one thing is that there is a one option is coming for the commissions tab, okay, and there is a commissions is showing you on your Nancy users. So most of the times, which as a manager you see the commission tab, but when you are going on your test account, let's say this is a Kritika account, which is a staff member of yours. Now Kritika does not have the commission view here, so she cannot see any information which we are doing for the staff member. So let's say if she want to, she cannot see any commission tab here, and if any communications happening regarding the commissions also, which is you discuss generally the commissions with the account team of the study metro. So any communications happening for the related to the commission, she cannot see the commission tab. So when she's opening the same instrument here. So test 1 2 3 4, she cannot have the commissions here. See, and but when you go to the your account, that is the Nancy account here. Let's say I'll go to the Nancy account here, and I'll show to you the commission tab. In the commission tab, as a manager, you can have those tabs available for you. So let me just go back and let me just click on the application. So let's say I click to the application of this is student 10883. So here I have a commission tab. Here, the same application 10833, as a manager, you are able to see the commissions if the commissions are released and if the commissions open. But same as 1083, as a staff member, you cannot see this one. So this is a cool functionality which we have, that we restrict the staff member to not see uh, any commissions related things to while they are adding up any students or applications in the portal. So this is the main difference which we have in the portal, where you can see the informations, uh, and you can understand what are the difference between the students, the staff, and the manager. And if you would like to export any of the information, so as I said, that we have a reports section, where in the report you want to know about the your students commissions report. So you can simply either go on recent tab, and you see all the reports, and you see the commissions report, and you can download it. So there is options to extract those commissions, so which you can do that from the portal itself. You can export the report, and this report will give you these are the commissions are pending for the students. Or if you have a sub user, now the sub user, as we shown in my other videos also, through the staff you can create the sub user account also. You have to select the sub agent profile. So the sub agent profile work in the same way. The only difference between the staff and the sub member is that the sub agents can see the commission tab. So your staff cannot see the commission tab, but your sub agents can see the commission tab. So they know that what are the commissions they are going to get. So the good example is like that, that if they are adding up any students, if they are adding up the applications, as a manager, you see all those their activities. However, if they are getting a commissions of 75%, let's say, from any of the students, whatever they are referring, but as a manager, you will get extra 10%. So that means that you will get a 85% and they will get a 75%. So I'll cover these things in my next videos, so that you understand between how the you can you can only using the sub-agents network, only adding up their details in our portal, you can see all their activities, what's going on with the study metro, and you can earn the extra commissions. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact your account manager.